Hey there, CPO here, and in this video I'm going to be installing this old man OME steering stabilizer into this 2004 TJ, and I will admit instructions on this particular steering stabilizer are non-existent. OME nor ARB actually seem to provide any instructions. There were none in the kit, and there's all this hardware to deal with, so I'm going to make the best of it. I'm going to change a few things up. For example, they're using these lock washers, and I'm becoming less and less of a fan of lock washers, so I'm going to toss those in lieu of some thread lock. And yeah, and I don't think I'm going to need this sleeve for this particular install, so I'm down to a couple of nuts, a washer, this funky guy here, and then the steering stabilizer. Oh, and a zip tie. This stuff is pretty well locked on, so I'm going to hit it with some PB Blaster. Hopefully to loosen some things up a bit. I'll let that soak for a couple minutes. I'll be right back. All right, got to remove this cotter pin from the castle nut. Okay, that's out of there. 3/4, so 19 millimeter. Buzz that off of there. Now this is a press fit tapered bolt, so you can hammer it out, whatever works. I'm just going to use my good old trusty ball joint spreader tool, which I've come to use for just about everything. Boom. That always works. Love it. All right, now we'll go deal with the axle side. That's a 15 millimeter up front and an 18 millimeter in the back. Can I get a? I can. All right, and we are reusing these bolts. Factory steering stabilizer, going to the dump. All right, so the way this is going to fit together is you're gonna have this guy, also tapered, is gonna come down and get press fit into there. This is gonna go on top of that, just like that. And then a washer and a nut are gonna capture that, but we can build this in advance. So this is a tight fit. All right, there you go. Once we get it through, we can finish it off with the nut and a washer. So this big flat washer, and then there will be a nut here that goes on. Now remember, it comes with a lock washer, but I'd much rather use thread lock. So that's what I'm going to do here. Of course, as you can imagine, torquing it would be easier once it's installed, so I'm going to get things set up first and then do final torque. Okay, so that's coming off. That's going to slip in the backside. I'm compressing. All right, that's going to go there. Once again, I'm choosing thread lock in lieu of lock washers. And torquing this down is easier from this direction. All right, got this torqued, got this all torqued, and the last thing I have to do is find that zip tie that I've lost. There it is. All right, and this is just going to go on this boot to seal this side here. All right, there we go. That is the OME steering stabilizer for a 2004 or similar yeared Jeep TJ Wrangler. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.